Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of November 29th through December 5th, and I suddenly had a quandary because I had marked in my planner because I planned out which kits I'm using where, because there's so many great Christmas kits from Coffee Planner Mom. And I originally was going to do rustic, and now I think I might be doing blush. I think I am. Okay, let's put this one up for a moment. And not like all of the blush kit. I just don't have a lot going on this week. And so I thought I've got the blush poinsettias, and using the blush like poinsettia weekend banner would be fun. And I feel like it's this one. I think that's what we're going to do. Are you with me? I know you are. I know you are. It's going to be fine. So yeah, not much going on this week, which is, so I'm going to leave a lot of white space. You guys have seen me do quite a few, or attempt to do a lot of no white space spreads. I don't think I want to use the date covers yet. So let's use the candy canes. Let's get that sidebar going. Because, like, I'm ready for Christmas cheer, but I'm not sure I'm ready for Santa Claus and ho 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 and mistletoe and presents for pretty girls. Sorry, I did just wake up from a nap. But this is, so I'm filming this on Black Friday. I've filmed like 3 different videos already. Well, I should say this is my 3rd video. But I'm trying to, like, I have an insane amount of time to film. And so that's why. And my camera arm is still being a little cantankerous. But I think it's because I'm trying to do something a little different. So I have good lighting and all that fun stuff. So yeah, so there's that. Meal plan. Choose this guy. So I'm going to leave a lot of white space so I can write things down as things come up. Nothing too terribly crazy this week. Like I said, all I have on my list of things is my chores list, what lunches I want to make, and what breakfast I want to make. I haven't even done my dinner meal plan yet. So there's that. There is that. So I think, let's do, I feel like we layer these 2 and we layer these 2. Yep. It's just, this is one of those plan with me's where I'm not exactly sure where I'm going, but it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Use a little full box nonsense here. And then let's do, because I do want to save part of this kit for another week. So that's why it's kind of like, we're just going to have some fun. Let's see, Thursday I'll have pink 0 stuff. Maybe we'll use bullet points. That'll be my evening. There's technically pink 0 there. We'll do our chores list. Stick with that ombre pattern. Now, I do zone cleaning, which is a Fly Lady system type deal. Oh, that's a little crooked. Let's see if we can get that guy off. And I learned the Fly Lady system from a YouTuber called The Secret Slob. And I believe all her videos are still up. I know she's been taking a break from kind of the social media stuff, but I believe all her videos are still available. Chores. So this week is zone 1, and that's the bathrooms. Zone 1 is like the easiest zone. It's a great one to start the month with because you feel like you really accomplished something. Oh no, wait. Haven't fully committed to that location yet. There, sticker. Just seeing how things go. Okay. I mean, I'm pretty positive that's where I'm going to put it, but yeah. I like that. I feel like I need a quote up there then. Not let it snow. No. No. Oh, my camera. Good gravy. All right, we're going to keep it like that and see how that goes. By camera, I mean phone. My phone is being cantankerous. I do have the black Christmas quotes. Let's see what we got there. Chores. Where did I put them? I put them in a great location. I'm very good at that. I think they're up here. Or no. Or yes. No. No, they're not. Where did I put those? Found them. Let's do deck the halls. Maybe. Because I feel like this is prime decorating time. That kind of balances that out. So I am still Weight Watchering. I actually changed my points this week. I retook the little assessment guide because things just didn't seem right. And I feel like I misanswered things, and not in like I lied during the assessment. It was just based on kind of how I was eating. I was excited when it asked you questions like, what do you eat on most days? Meaning, I think more than 3 times a week or more than 2 times a week. And I answered potatoes, and then I realized it's really not accurate. I don't actually eat potatoes as often, but I would like to eat potatoes. I answered it more like, I would like to eat potatoes most of the week. But I really don't. So I ended up retaking it. And so now I have 20 points a day, up from my 18 points a day. These are really pretty. Sorry, distracted by the florals. I think we add another blue one. Like right there. I feel like and maybe a dark pink. Another dark pink. Right there. They're almost like snowflakes, but not in a good way. I'm not gonna lie, we might actually be done with this plan with me. But anyway, let me finish talking about Weight Watchers though. So I now have 20 points instead of 18, and I believe my weeklies are at 29. So that's kind of fun. We're gonna see how it goes. And now I have seafood back to being one of my 0-point foods, because that was one thing that came off my 0-point food list. It was like salmon and tuna. I was like, no. Holly eats that. Holly eats it a lot. Kind of need that. So I'm glad that I've got that back. It is very simple this week, and I'm okay with that, mostly because in the next few weeks, life will not be simple. It's going to be a very nice week. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know. I'm kind of playing around with some rebranding stuff, so you'll see new intros and all that. Let me know in the comments below. Awesome, not awesome? I don't know. But, all right. I mean, I've been enjoying it. So I hope you all have a fabulous week. See you next time.